Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Class 9th, Subject Physics, Chapter number 5, Gravitation. Today we will solve the problem and the problem for the solution of the problems. First I will tell you about some important formulas which we are using in the problems. Here are some important formulas. Now we will solve problem number 6, and the problem number 6 statement is problem number 6 statement: find the value of g due to the earth at a geostationary satellite. The radius of the geostationary orbit is 48,700 km. Now we have to find the value of g. So by this statement, the given data of this is the radius is r naught is equal to r plus h, that is equal to 4807 kilometer. Here there is some hint that we know that height from the earth is this. Hint for height, how we can find the height is this. So we know that r plus h is equal to 48,700 kilometer, and we know that the radius of the earth is 6400 kilometer. Put the value here, we can find 6400 kilometer plus h, height of the earth, and that both sum is equal to 87 double kilometer. So we have to find here 6400 is in the positive form. When we take into other side, it will become in the negative form. So we can find the is height of the earth subtracted 400 kilometer. So by using calculator, the height is equal to 4 to 300 kilometer. Here that is the height of the earth. Okay, this is the given data. Mass of the earth m is 6 multiplied 10 to the power 24. Radius of the earth re, that is equal to 6400 kilometer. Value of g on a satellite height gh we have to find. Solution में there is a formula for this. We are using a formula gh is equal to me over r plus whole का square. Now by putting the values of these, we can find here g values is 6.673 multiplied by 10 power minus 11 multiply 6 multiplied by 10 की power 24 mass of earth, and here the value of r plus h whole का square. Here we have the value of r is this and z values is this, and total is equal to 48,700 kilometer. Okay, now value of this we can find r plus h kilometer whole square. First we change into this into scientific notation, so it can be easily find r plus h here, that is equal to 48,700 kilometer. We know that when we take a point from this to this, that is equal to 4.87 multiplied by 10 की power 1 2 3 4, and kilos is equal to 10 की power 3. Here we can get the value base same, power will be add here. This is the value of this. Now by using this value, GH is equal to 6.673 multiplied 10 की power minus 11, 6 multiplied 10 की power 24 divided by this value will be in this form 4.87 multiplied 10 की power 7 whole square. GH is equal to, now by multiplying this to this and divided by this and 10 की power 14, then we can find the exact value of answer, that is equal to 1.7 multiplied by 10 की power minus 1. When we take it in the other form, it will become minus 4, then 0.17 meter per second square. Here this is the value of this. Next numerical statements. The value of G is 4.0 meter per second square at a distance of 10,000 kilometer from the center of the earth. Find the mass of the earth. Now we have to find the mass of the earth. According to this statement, the given data is, here is the given data. The distance from the center of the earth, r plus h, is equal to 10,000 kilometer. First we convert into the scientific form, and scientific form it can be confirmed easily. Here 10 multiplied by 3 multiplied by kilo is equal to 10 to power 3. Here bases are same, so power will be added, and that is equal to 10 to power 7 kilometer. Okay, the value of G is at a GM. GH is equal to 4 meter per second square. Mass of the item है find करना है. Now we have to find. Okay, now the formula is, we know that mass of earth, that is equal to r plus h whole square and multiply by the GH. Previous formulas, by arranging we can find the formula exact. Now by putting values, mass of earth we have to find, and r plus h, that is equal to 10 की power 7 whole square multiply by G values is 4 meter per second square, and constant G value everybody knows that is a fixed, that is equal to 6.673 multiplied by 10 की power minus 11, taking square, that is equal to 10 की power 14 multiplied by 4 divided by 6.673 multiplied by 10 की power minus 11. By solving we can take this power to upstairs and we can multiply the other form, then we will get the answer, that is equal to 0.599 multiplied by 10 की power 14 multiplied by 10 की power plus 11, 0.599 multiplied by 10 की power 25. Now it can be changed in this form, so in scientific form mass will be 5.99 multiplied by 10 की power 24 kg. Here point will become, and 10's power reduces by a factor of 1. This is the mass of earth. Next numerical statement is that at what altitude the value of G would become 1/4 than on the surface of the earth. According to statement, the given data is, the value of GH is equal to G over 4th. Radius of the earth 6.4 multiplied by 10 की power 6 meter. Mass of the earth 6 multiplied by 10 की power 24 kg. Height we have to find, and now the formula we know very well, that is equal to GH is equal to G into ME over R plus H whole square. Now we have to find the H. Now we rearrange for get the value of H. Here we can see that we know these are the cross multiplication. We can replace the values. R plus h whole square, that is equal to g m e over g h. Now by putting the values, r is equal to, we can find r plus whole square, that is equal to over g over 4. Here 4 is the dividend and we will take it to the upstairs. It will be a multiplication form. R plus h whole square, that is equal to 4 into g m e over g. Clear? Now we know very well that g is equal to g m e over r square. Now put this value in this form, so we can get r plus h whole square, that is equal to 4 into gme over gme divided by r square. Here r will be going to go to upstairs because it is divided in the third form and other form in multiplication, so we can write it r square into gme over gme. Here gme will be cutting, r plus h whole square, that is equal to 4 r square. We have to find the single height, so we replace taking square, we have to cut it by taking square root. Taking square root on both sides, r plus h whole square, taking square root 4 r square. So it will be cutting like this, so r plus h, that is equal to 2r. Clear? Here 2r minus, it will come here, so h is equal to r. So that's, we can see that hence the height is approximately equal to the radius of the earth. So equal to earth. Here this is our numerical.